Okay, here comes the demonstration. I hooked it up. See if it works. Oh, that's some serious, right there. That's some serious pressure. So it has that. Wow, that's good pressure. That's really good. Let me tell you, this is actually a great thing. I'm very impressed. Very, very impressed.
This is the third one that's done it. So if you're going to buy these, you may want to buy them with the warranty. You definitely need to change this casing. This is not okay. Like, I literally have an extra shower head going here. It works great, but this part is the worst part.